Hi friends, welcome back to my I was gonna say to my bathroom. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bedroom. So today I have my long awaited skincare routine and I figured I would film it here because I get really good like natural lighting, and of course the sun is not out. That would happen to me, but we are still gonna go through it. I'm really excited because I have finally fallen truly in love with my skin and my skincare. I know I have makeup on, but I'm a makeup girly. I can't help it, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, if this is your first time watching this video, please subscribe, please. I will love you forever. And if you don't subscribe, totally okay. But without further ado, grab your notes because I have some really cool and exciting and just awesome products to share with you, and grab your cafecito. So let's jump right in. I'm going to start with the first product that I always go with, and that is, oh my gosh, there's a huge bee at my window. Oh, that is the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. This video is mainly going to be targeted for oily and like combination skin, but it is also a great video for dry skin because currently my skin is a little bit dry. So this product is the first step in my routine. This is what I will use to melt all my makeup off. Like I said, I am a huge makeup girly. I wear tons of makeup. And so I always need something to really remove all the makeup, and you should always be double cleansing. The Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil is great for doing just that. It removes the makeup, it really melts everything, and then it just emulsifies so nicely. So what you want to do is you want to do about 1 or 2 pumps. I do usually 2 pumps when I'm wearing very heavy makeup. I will just apply that all over my skin, and then I will go to my sink or in my shower and remove it with just water. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. Go in and remove it and you will get this almost like milky consistency, and that just means that it's cleansing and stripping all that makeup. It doesn't leave your skin dry, which is my favorite part. It also mildly removes the blackheads, as well as it just controls the oil on your skin, especially for us oily skin girlies. After my cleansing oil, I will go in and wash my face. Now I actually have 2 face washes, and okay, let me not get ahead of myself. Let's start with this one. So this is my nightly cleanser, okay? This is as well from the same brand, Anua. This is their Heartleaf Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. It's gentle on the skin, but it's also strong enough where it's again going to remove all the impurities, excess sebum, and really cleanse the skin from inside out. So this has just been also a game changer for me, and I just love it. The best thing is that you need such a little amount, and it lathers and it foams so nicely on the skin, and again, it doesn't leave my skin dry, and I have not broken out, which is a huge thing for me because I do have pretty sensitive skin and so my skin doesn't love all ingredients, but Korean skincare ingredients is something that my skin has genuinely loved, which is why I'm doing the huge switch to all Korean skincare products. Now we're gonna move on to toners, and I actually have 3 toners that I go back and forth in between, and these are it. So the first one is the Tier Milk Skin Toner, Refreshing Skin, Moisturizing, and Soothing. This one, as you can see, I have used it quite a bit and I genuinely love this product. So if you are suffering from dry skin, if your skin just feels very tight, you need hydration, this is a perfect toner. It has that really nice like milky consistency. It's almost like a watery based toner. It hydrates the skin, it plumps the skin, it leaves it with a little bit of a dewy finish, but not an oily finish, just like a refreshed, hydrated, dewy look to your skin. Does that make sense? This contains a bunch of really good ingredients for your skin, such as niacinamide, rice bran extract, panthenol, ceramides. It is also acne friendly, so if you suffer from fungal acne, this is great for that. Niacinamide is great for texture skin, for brightening the skin, as well as for large pores and excess sebum, which is all the problems that I was dealing with. That is the first toner. Now, because I do have texture and I have large pores because of my oily skin, I do like to go in with an AHA and a BHA liquid exfoliant. So this is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant that contains salicylic acid. This is a product that I've been using on my skin for years, okay? This is probably like my third, fourth, fifth bottle at this point, and I am so close to running out. But this product is amazing for evening out your skin texture, shrinking your pores, and controlling the sebum. Now, this is a product that I don't use every night. So what I do is I'll use this, let's say Monday, and then I'll use Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I'll just skip it for the next 2 days and just use this. You do want to introduce this very gently into your skincare routine, just because BHAs can be a little bit, they are acidic, so they can irritate your skin, and you can either get breakouts or you can get flaky skin. My skin is very used to these products, so I can use it every other night. But again, if you're new, just introduce it maybe like once or twice a week, and then just work your way up to that. And then my other toner that I like to use is this one from Beauty of Joseon, which is another amazing Korean brand. This is their ginseng essence water, and as you can see, this one is pretty new. So this one I just started introducing it in my skincare routine, and I'm mainly focusing on this product during my AM routine, just because I do love this for the nighttime routine, but for the morning, because again, I'm oily, I want something to kind of like hydrate my skin, but also control the sebum throughout the day, especially for the days I'm going to be wearing makeup. And this does exactly that. So this one as well will deeply hydrate the skin. It will also add that brightening effect. Over time, it'll control the sebum and it will calm your skin all at the same time. So if your skin is freaking out a little bit over a product, use this toner AM or PM, whatever you want, and it'll help just calm the redness because of the ginseng. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but something like that. So this is a product that I actually found at TJ Maxx for I think like $12, and Amazon has it for like $18. So definitely go check out your local TJ Maxx and keep an eye out for like Korean skincare. Let's move on to serums, which is probably my favorite part of my skincare routine, because this is where I've also noticed the biggest difference as far as like my pores and just the overall texture on my skin. When it comes to serums, you always want to use your serums from lightest to heaviest. And from what I've learned, from what I've heard from some derm doctors, is that you're only supposed to use up to 3 serums. That's the most that will penetrate your skin. Not sure if it's true or not, but that's what I like to do. So after I use my toner, I let that sink in for maybe 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, I will brush my teeth, I will get my PJs ready, whatever have you. And then I will go in with my lightest serum, which is my Anua Peach 70 Niacinamide Serum, which is this one right here. And let me tell you guys, if you suffer from oily skin, large pores, texture, and dull skin, this is exactly what you need, okay? This is one of those products that will give you that glass skin look if you're going for that. And then because of the niacinamide, it's going to work on your skin barrier, taking care of that uneven texture as well as dullness in the skin. And then of course, it's going to help hydrate. So a lot of my products are for hydration, texture, and oil control, which are my main targeted goals. So this product right here, look at how close I am to finishing it. I absolutely love this. This is the Centella Asiatica serum by the brand Purito. This product is a game changer if your skin barrier is messed up, if you have an allergic reaction to a product, if your skin is just like red, if it's irritated. This is going to calm your skin and it's going to add such beautiful hydration. This again will give you that glass skin look immediately after you apply it. Oh my gosh, it is such a great product. It is so lightweight, it is unscented, so it's not going to damage the skin or create any sort of allergic reaction to your skin because it doesn't have any fragrance in it. It also contains niacinamide, which is again a very popular ingredient in my skincare routine, which will help brighten and even the complexion. And then it has peptides. Peptides just help with skin elasticity as well as firmness. So those are products that I'm always looking for, and this is just an amazing product on its own. Like, I always recommend it. So moving from that one, my last serum that is my heaviest is this one by Mixsoon. It is the Bean Essence. Oh, this, look at how much I've used. I already have a bottle. They actually sent me one a while ago, and girl, this stuff is amazing. Okay, so this one is actually really cool because this is almost like a 2-in-1. So it's going to be a serum, but it's also going to be an exfoliant. So what you can do is you can apply it all over your skin and really massage it for about a minute or two, and you should start seeing some dead skin cells just come up, like very minimal. If you haven't done anything like that on your skincare routine for a while where you've exfoliated, then you will definitely have a very satisfying day. For me, I didn't really experience any of that. It will just give you clear and smooth skin overall, and it adds so much hydration. It also is great for blackheads, whiteheads, and excess sebum. Now, this one is very similar to the COSRX, the snail mucin. I tried that one. My skin didn't like it. It broke me out, which I was very bummed about. But then I heard about this one, and this is actually the vegan formula or the vegan version of the snail mucin. This is Bean Essence. So this is going to be better for your skin, and it doesn't have all the weird stuff that the snail mucin has. So I love this stuff. Like I said, I use it all the time. This would be the last step because it is thicker and it does have that sticky consistency. So I wouldn't use this in the morning because you might see a little bit of peeling with your makeup. So just use it at night. But this one will give you such a difference. Like, this made my skin dramatically smoother. So I love her for that. The last product that I wanted to share with you guys as far as like serums is this one by the brand Good Doll. This is the Green Tangerine Vita C Dark Spot Serum, and that's exactly what it is. This is a great product. I think this is an old packaging. They have a new packaging, but this one is amazing. You can use it twice a day. I do use it in the mornings and nights, but just make sure you're always using sunscreen when you use anything that's vitamin C related. So you can use this all over your face, all over your neck, your hands if you want to, but great product for dark spots. Let's go in with another Beauty of Joseon products. This is the Revive Eye Serum Ginseng plus Retinol. And as you can see, I have used quite a bit of it, and my favorite part is that it has a pump. So this contains, again, ginseng extract, which is going to hydrate and nourish the skin. It also has retinol, which is a 2% retinol. So this is going to stimulate collagen, and it's just going to help fight against those fine lines and the wrinkles, which I have noticed an improved difference underneath my eyes. My wrinkles are not gone by any means, so don't think that you're not going to have any wrinkles. Like, I think naturally we just have wrinkles underneath the eyes, but I have noticed that they're not as deep as they once were, and my concealer just overall looks a lot smoother. If you also suffer from dark spots underneath the eyes, for me, I do have a little bit of like darkness and tinting. I have noticed that this has reduced the amount of darkness or how dark my under eyes look, but also there's times where I don't get enough sleep, I don't drink enough water, and that also contributes to that. Also, it could be sometimes genetic. So those are things that you just want to take into consideration when you are applying or using products like this. Moving on to moisturizers, I'm actually missing one, but let me go over these that I have right now. So this is a product that I've actually been using for months now, and I go back and forth. I will switch it in and out. This is from Peach and Lily, the Retinal for All Renewing Serum. This one, the Retinol, again, is great for anti-aging, for wrinkles, for firmness on the skin, and just for an overall even complexion. So this is what I use maybe once or twice a week, and it does have the typical retinol color, which is yellow. Now, anytime again you're using retinol, please make sure that you're using sunscreen, because you can actually do more damage than good because of the retinol in it, and it absorbs really nicely into the skin. Now, because retinol can be irritating, can be drying, and can make your skin flaky, I always make sure to use what they call the sandwich effect, which means that you're layering your products. So instead of this being the last step to my skincare routine, I always like to follow it up with an intense hydrating moisturizer. And for that, I love the Anua Heartleaf 70 Intense Calming Cream, which is this one right here. So this one, just like other Korean products, contains ceramides, which are going to help just repair a damaged skin barrier, which can be caused due to many things. It also contains 70% heart leaf extract, hence the name, which is going to help calm the skin. So again, if you are using retinols and your skin is freaking out, or if your skin is just flaky and dry, then this is something that you want to use. The last moisturizer that I use, or that I wanted to share with you guys, is this one. So this is by the brand Beauty of Joseon, the Red Bean Water Gel. This is my current morning moisturizer. This is what I love to use underneath my makeup because one, it is water based, so it's not going to make me oily, it's not going to make me look greasy, but it's going to add that hydration that my skin still needs. This also has peptides in it, which again is great for hydration, skin barrier, and for just helping with elasticity on the skin. It's going to again minimize the oiliness to the skin because it does absorb really quickly. And I've noticed that I don't have that like lingering oily, greasy, heavy feel to my skin when I apply this. So oh my gosh, that was a lot. I am out of breath. I think that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys. So that is my current skincare routine featuring Korean skincare products. All of these products honestly are not that expensive. The only one that I would say is like a little pricier would probably be this one. This one's like $28. But other than that, everything is relatively affordable compared to like high-end brands that really did nothing for my skin. So I just wanted to show you guys my skin up close. Don't mind my concealer. I was crying in the morning, so my concealer is messed up. But this is what my skin looks like no filter, natural lighting. My skin looks good. She looks good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.